Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Seattle Secrets. My name is Justin, and I'll be your tour guide today as we travel through Seattle. Don't worry, walking is definitely not required. Instead, my Rube Goldberg machine will do all the work for you. First, we'll land the Seattle airport. Hope you don't get grumpy after a bumpy ride. Next, we'll take the metro, because there's no vacation without public transportation, and it comes exactly on the last second. Our first stop is going to be Space Needle, where you can see the whole city from 60 stories above. If I were you, I would not look down. Next, we'll go to Mount Rainier. It is an active volcano. Don't worry, the last time I checked, it was a very calm volcano, so it probably won't erupt on us. To take a better view, we take a gondola up the mountain, because walking sounds like way too much effort. Our next stop is going to be the Seattle Great Wheel, which is basically just a Ferris wheel, but with a much more cooler name. Our next stop is going to be Campus South, home to seals, fairies, whales, and be careful, a seagull might even try to steal your bagel. And our final stop, we're going to find something Seattle. We're going to discover something Seattle is very famous for. What it is, you will find out. Now, shall we begin the Seattle sequence?